Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, we'll continue with our Snake, uh, Snake macOS app. Okay, so let's go to Xcode. Okay, Xcode. So Snake, yeah, this guy. Double click and let's run it to see what we have. Oh, okay, good. So let's draw a static snake, okay? Somewhere, for example, here, like that. Maybe 5 cells, okay? So here we already have that, okay? So let's create a function, right? To put this code there. So we can define a function, draw grid, right? Parameter, no, we don't need that. So now cut and paste. So we can call draw grid, right? Draw grid. So the function call works like that. So when we launch the app, right, the platform will call this function for us. So then it will run this code and next line. Then when it arrives here, it emits a function, right? Defined by ourselves. Then it will jump into this part to run the code inside this function. After it finishes, it will go back to the next line. And there's nothing here, so it will end. Okay, so draw. Okay, let's run it. Command R. Nothing will change, right? We just refactor out this part. So okay, so now we'll define another one. Draw snake, like that. And the function body, we'll do it later. Draw snake, like that. Okay, so let's draw our first square. Oh, okay, so it seems to us we need those informations, or some of them. Now we can move out, because if we defined it here inside this function, then it's not viewable, right? Accessible from the other function here. So but if we move out that part, cut and put it here, then it will be accessible by all the functions inside this class, and also other class. How to draw a snake? Let's draw our first cell here. Okay, so we'll draw a round square or rectangle here. Okay, how can we draw a round rectangle? Let cell or snake cell equals ns Bezier path, opening parenthesis. Yeah, you see the last one, round rectangle, rect, right? Cool. So let's define, enter, opening parenthesis, x. So let's provide a rectangle. So let's do it at 0 and 0 to get a feeling of that. So this one 100, right? X radius, so it's the radius of the corner. Let's say, what about 10? Y 10. Okay, so cell dot stroke, all fill. Let's see. Okay, let's run it. Oh, it's here. I forgot. Like on iOS system, the origin is here, but on the Mac OS, the origin is here. So okay, so you see, it's a round rectangle or square, right? So now, if we change this to fill, that run it. Oh, that's the default color. No, it's the color used we set in the previous code. So we'll use our own color. What's the color for a snake? Maybe brown, right? And we can do it here. So color literal like that. Dot set fill. We'll fill it. What is the color? This looks like, oh, maybe okay, this one. Run it. Yeah, we'll use this color. Okay, so now we need to put this guy somewhere inside the one of the cells of our grid. Okay, so for example, we'll put it like grid X plus maybe 2 times cell side. Okay, and Y, let's do maybe 3. No, we need a grid 1, right? Plus 3 of cell side. Width, of course, it cannot be bigger than cell side. And height, oh, same thing here, cell side. What about this one? We don't want to use a hard-coded number. We can use a fraction of that guy, right? Maybe 1/10 of it. Okay, so or like cell side divided by 10, or make it a little bit bigger, like that. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Cell side divided by 8. Run it. Not bad, right? And maybe we can make this one, I don't know, what about 7? Make it a little bit bigger, the radius. Run it. It's okay. So that's if we need to draw another one, right? We need to duplicate like this code. Okay, so I think we'd better to create a function to make this job easier, right? So let's define one here. So draw snake cell at, let's put an, make it sound like an English sentence, at colon int, right? And the row integer. We define its location, return. We don't need to return. Now we can, oh, we can specify the color. Okay, wait a minute. So let's do this. Cut and paste here. So we'll replace this guy with column, this guy with row. So it will be flexible, right? And yeah, auto fix. Replace column with CG float column. Yes, that's what we need. Why not? And wait for this guy. Yeah. Fix. Now, yeah. we can draw our first one here. So draw snake, so at column like 2 and 3, right? That's what we did. Run it. Great. Now we want to make the color also flexible, so we can define the color here like color UI color, that's its data type color. No, sorry, I forgot it again. NS color. UI color is used on iOS platform. So now it complains missing argument. Okay, fix. So now we can copy this guy, copy and put it here, right? This is the color. And now what is this one? Delete. It should be our color, the third parameter. Alright, now if we run it, we get the same thing. Okay, finally we can draw another cell, snake cell. Okay, now what about here? So it will be column 3, right? Column 3. Let's change another. Okay, run it. Yeah, now I'll add 3 more here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, quickly. So paste. This one row will be smaller, so 2. And next one even smaller, so no, the column will be bigger like that. And the next one 4, right? So here will be 2. Run it. Not good, so we need to push those 3 to the right by 1. Here will be 3, 4, 5. Run it. Yeah, now it looks like a snake. Let's use a different color for the head. Okay, so this guy, what do you like? Maybe a red one or yellow one. Let's try yellow. Yeah, it's okay, right? Cool. Since we are happy with what we did right so far, let's make a commit in onto GitHub server. So terminal, make it bigger, command plus, and where we are now here, let's go to ls. So my stuff, our stuff is under Xcode workspace, cd Xcode, yeah, ls. So where do we need to go? We are working on snake as, yeah, this guy, right? So cd snake mac. Okay, now ls or ls that okay, here we can use our git command status, right? Status, yeah, we just modified this file, right? Board view, this guy. So we'll make a commit for that. So git commit -a means all. Now this is the vim editor, so plus I to enter the insert mode. So we like drew a static snake with 5 cells, something like that. Okay, true. Okay, escape to quit the editing mode. Now we are inside the command mode of vim editor. Now :X means save and quit. Enter. Now check. Go through the command history. Check the git status again. It's clean. Now we can do push. So after we push, if you go to the GitHub repository of this one, right? I'll put the link on the description of this video. So when you check there, you can see the latest code like that, right? And others. Cool. So thank you for watching. See you next time.